So this is Mercy Homes and Properties, and this is Joseph Estate.
Yes.
We are here with the CDC of the community.
Yes.
He's so happy seeing Mercy Homes staff this afternoon, and I can see it from his face. Do you have anything to say?
Yes. This is the best place to get your home. So you can get your property from her. She's very genuine and she's straightforward. And the community have given her go ahead.
I hear that one.
So, and the paramount ruler of the community
Wow.
have given her approval.
These are the security. We celebrate them greatly. We are not taking this privilege for granted. They don't sleep, and wherever you are watching this video, please, they need contribution. Please, these are people that are taking care of our land. Please, wherever you are watching this video, contribute to the security outfit because they have done so much. They are not sleeping day and night to ensure that nobody tamper with our land. And we want to say thank you so much. We love you. We celebrate you. And may God give you the strength, the enablement. And as this video go viral, I want to believe that people, outsiders, will see it and they'll begin to call us that they want to contribute to your security outfit in Jesus' name.
Amen. That's great. That's great. See up to the world. Yes. Right now we are Joseph Estate. Now so. Yes, sir. We love you too. We love you too. Yes, New Banana Highland here in Port-Harcourt. Yes, so you don't hear from the securities. Now then the community people will don't settle everything. We don't settle them and then they guide the place. You don't get it into fear. All you need to do now to call Mama Peku on 0903429651 to collect your plot of New Banana Highland from Joseph Estate in New Banana Highland. And they wait for you.